The Galaxy S23 Ultra's success is solely due to Samsung's decision to forego using the Exynos chip in its flagship devices, in favor of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 from Qualcomm. If they decide to proceed with this decision, everything they have done and accomplished with the device may be undone. But according to recent rumors, the Exynos 2400 is quite real, and Samsung may be considering bringing it back for its Galaxy smartphones. The horror might then return when Samsung revealed their multi-year cooperation with AMD, bringing new AMD Radeon graphics to additional Exynos CPUs in the future. Of course, we're talking about Exynos 2400 and beyond. Because Exynos has historically let consumers down, if this truly occurs it will crush all the excitement around the S24 series. Moving on, the S24 Extreme will only have 3 back cameras, compared to the 4 that the Ultra range of Samsung's S series of phones previously had. According to a leak from Ice Universe, Samsung will use new technology to improve its zooming abilities. He's essentially claiming that the Galaxy S24 Ultra will have one less camera than the S23 Ultra, but the zoom camera will get a significant boost. In order to fully rely on the periscope sensor for all zooming operations, Samsung will do away with the 3x telephoto zoom sensor. Samsung incorporates 2 zoom cameras in its Ultra phones, and as you can see, the periscope zoom camera on the S23 Ultra produces beautiful images at its default 10x zoom range. According to Ice Universe, as the continuous zoom camera also functions as a 3x zoom camera, Samsung will incorporate the same sensor on the Galaxy S24 Ultra's continuous zoom periscope camera. The new Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus will reportedly feature ISO cell GN3 units, while the Galaxy S24 Ultra variant reportedly has a better camera with increased zoom capabilities and a better sensor. The S24 Ultra is anticipated to include a 144Hz display, making it a desirable device for mobile gamers. When paired with greater GPU performance and the more potent Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 CPU, 144Hz is going to be quick, smooth, and gaming will be quite enjoyable with this device. According to Digital Chat Station, the GPU in the Galaxy S24 Ultra, the Adreno 750 on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, will be 50% quicker than the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 on the S23 Ultra. The Galaxy S24 Ultra will see an even greater leap than the previously indicated 50% for the ordinary Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, since Samsung will employ a bespoke version of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 that has an even higher clock speed in both the CPU and GPU. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.